Hey YouTube, what's up? I was making this video today because I got something really neat in the mail today. As a lot of you know, I have been watching Super Geeked Up for about 10 months now, since May. So yeah, it has been 10 months now, and I've referred to them several times on my channel since then. But a few months ago, probably about 2 months ago, they did a hangout with this group of people called geekfuel.com. I'll put a link to the hangout up somewhere up there via the annotation. I'll also put a link down there below the subscribe button and the description button so you can see what I'm talking about. But geekfuel.com was featured on Super Geeked Up a few months ago, and they talked about what Geek Fuel is. Geek Fuel is kind of like one of these subscription box things. I know there's one for women, you can get beauty products, and then there's one for men, you get like colognes and stuff. And all these people are doing these like these gift boxes stuff, monthly gift boxes. So anyway, I subscribed. My very first box came in the mail today, and I was really looking at it. Now I know I've already looked a little bit at some of my stuff. Mostly all my stuff I've already looked at just to see what it was. And it looks like it's really neat stuff, so I thought I'd just show it to you. Okay, so anyway, here's the box right here, and of course it's got the name of their product right here, and then on the back it's got their website. Hopefully this will show up right side correctly on the video, but see, it's got www.geekfuel.com. That's where you can go and you can get this neat stuff. And I just now saw this. Oh, that's the packing stuff. Yeah, you don't want to see where I live. But anyway, and then here's the top of the box right here, showing their logo right there. Geek Fuel with a cute little robot right there. So yeah, this is some really interesting stuff in here. Some of this I don't know what it is. Okay, well, first off, you got the card here saying what all this stuff is. There's the back of the card right there. There's the front of the card showing all the stuff that come in this box. It says here, Geek Fuel exclusive Retro Magazine. I've never heard of Retro Magazine before. It's some kind of a comic book video game thing. Probably something I would subscribe to, since I've subscribed to a lot of magazines. But anyway, this is the Retro Magazine right here, and let me see if I can get into it. I probably can. It's been a while since I've opened one of these things, since my comic book days. Yeah, it's kind of like a comic book, I guess. I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's not a comic book. It's a video game magazine, a book about video games, and which I do play a few. I have a Wii, and I have some games that I play on my laptop, and not really much of a gamer, but I do play some. Actually, this looks pretty cool. Since I'm not much into video games, I probably wouldn't subscribe to this, but it's got cool pictures in here, like with this guy right here. His name's Cliff Bleszinski, and he made the Gears of War for the Xbox. See, I don't have an Xbox, so I don't know anything about that game, but it looks cool though. So yeah, um, that's the first thing. Oh, cool! It's got pictures of like the old classic 8-bit Nintendo in there. Um, uh, you know, this looks like I'd probably just get this magazine just to get the stuff to order from this magazine, more than likely. But I don't know. I spend too much money as is, anyways. So, yeah. So that's the what is that? Geek Fuel exclusive retro magazine, um, issue number 0, which I guess it's only exclusive for Geek Fuel people. So anyway, this come in here. Now I'm not sure what this is. These are the original Worms. According to the description here, Worms downloadable game. Throw a grenade down memory lane with Team 17's original and classic turn-based strategy game Worms. Now, I do vaguely remember that, a video game called Worms. I think I saw it on like PC for years ago, but I never did get it because, frankly, I don't have a lot of room on my laptops, or frankly, hardware-wise either, to run a lot of video games on my laptops. But anyway, I do remember this game a little bit. Up to 4 teams of worms duke it out in an ever-changing battlefield with falling crates and weapons, exploding sheep, and more. Okay, well, there's got a code on here. Steam-powered.com, which I do know of Steam. I've played a few games on Steam before. So I guess you can play it online, I'm guessing. Yeah, original gummy worms. Can you eat these things? Are these things edible? Or are they, yeah, download, I don't really know. I don't think I'd eat them much. But anyway, that's the worms. So, yeah. Next, we got Soap on the Rope, which is Space Invader Soap on the Rope. Don't think I would ever use this thing, because if I'm going to buy soap, I'm going to buy real soap. This is a novelty thing. I would probably just say this as a novelty thing. It's interesting. Used to play Space Invaders a lot on the Atari 2600 when I was a kid. So, yeah, that's Soap on the Rope. I'll probably just hang this up in my bathroom somewhere, just it's like a little novelty thing. And so, yeah, that came in the Geek Fuel box right here. What else come in? This sticker come in here saying, "I love retro. Read retro.com." Now, I probably will go to this website and check it out. It has to do with the magazine that come in here, the retro magazine. So yeah, thanks people of Geek Fuel. Yeah, I do like this. The next thing that comes, this is the next last thing. Oh, it's cool. I love mugs, and I love cups and glasses and things. Oh, cool. One of my favorite comic book characters of all time. Of course, Wonder Woman, right there. Wonder Woman glass, right there. Oh, look at that. Cool. Oh, cool, look at that. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman! Yeah, Wonder Woman. Okay, did you get the mystery pint? Fill with your favorite beverage and post a picture to our Instagram at Geek Fuel, hashtag Geek Fuel. Receive 1 of 4. So this is 1 of 4 glasses here. I'm not going to drink this. I'm not going to break this thing. Definitely won't. Receive a glass and toast Green Lantern, Batman, and Wonder Woman with these vintage pint glasses. Each one is perfect for keeping you hydrated during a throwback movie marathon. So yeah, Thank you, Geek Fuel. I really appreciate that. I need a new mug to keep in my collection. So, speaking of my coffee mugs, I need to make a video sometime showing off my coffee mug collection, which is a big old coffee mug collection. I can tell you that. Now, this isn't a coffee mug collection or a coffee mug, but I would put it in there. So yeah, that's nice. Um, you go to somewhere that sell these, probably like $10 each. So yeah, that's nice. Probably even go to like a specialty store that sells comic book stuff and things, and you probably pay about $12 for this one cup. So yeah, I got it for free. Well, I didn't get it for free. I got it for my monthly subscription of Geek Fuel. So anyway, and the last thing coming here is t-shirts. Everybody knows I love t-shirts. I have a bunch of them. So yeah, and this is coming my size, extra large. It comes in there, which has a really neat throw off of Pac-Man, but Pac-Man in this shirt is not Pac-Man. It is Batman, which if Batman was Pac-Man, and then you got the 4 Pac-Man ghost here, right there, and of course this is Joker right here. Not sure who these other are. All the Penguin, the Riddler, yeah, the Riddler right there, or and I'm afraid that's Catwoman. And I'm sorry, I'm not much into the Batman universe, even though I love comic books. And again, not much of a DC kind of guy. I was always Marvel, but if it's comic books to me. So anyway, I will be wearing this shirt. I like t-shirts a lot, especially novelty t-shirts like this. They have cute little things on it, like Batman dressed as Batman, and the Batman Ghost dressed as supervillains from the Batman world. That's really neat, cool. The maker of this shirt was Gildan Heavy Cotton. Of course, it's extra large, so yeah, it will fit me. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that was in my box this month. Oh, wait a minute. No, something else was in here too. This button that says I love retro. Which I appreciate that. I really do. So anyway, yeah, that's what was in my Geek Fuel box this month. My very first box. I was really impressed with this box, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is where you can go and get this cool stuff right here. Geekfuel.com. Down at the bottom of this video, and I'm going to be putting a lot of things on the bottom of this video, I will put a reference code. So if you want to check out this stuff and you want to say, hey, I found out about this stuff through Lister's Mate 2, go in here, put the code in, and I'm not sure what kind of stuff I'll get. I think I get discounts off on my subscription to Geek Fuel. Maybe some other stuff, I don't know. But it's always nice to put in a nice reference number if you've got one. So, yeah, go check out geekfuel.com, www.geekfuel.com. And, of course, there will be a link up there to when Super Geeked Up had their hangout with the nice, friendly people of Geek Fuel. And go check out the links at the bottom. And I appreciate it. And talk to you later. Bye.